Good morning. Today, I'm going to take a class on a very important topic. It is on food allergy and the common food allergens. Many people around the world have food allergies. An allergy is when the body reacts to something.
I am allergic to peanuts. If I eat it, I get rashes instantly.
Yes, peanuts are known to cause allergic reactions to some people. The main groups of allergens are milk and dairy products, egg and egg product, fish, shellfish, peanuts, some tree nuts, soy and products made out of soy, and sometimes even wheat-based products. When handling food with these products, we must be even more careful as these allergic reactions can even cause death in some people.
What are the different allergic reactions, Chef? You mentioned people can die due to allergic reactions?
You see, the reaction can be different in different people. And yes, some people may die due to this. But the common reaction are itching in and around mouth or face, swelling of face, hands or feet. Sometimes people can also have shortness of breath. Few other reaction can be vomiting or diarrhea. Loss of consciousness and death is also possible reaction.
So is there no remedy to this? Can we not prevent allergic reaction in any way?
Unfortunately, while there are no remedies to this, there are a few things we can do. Some good employee practices and training the kitchen and service team can be helpful in prevention. In the case of food allergies, prevention is always better. A good practice is to list down the allergens in every dish on the menu and then train the team on it. Also put those on the menu. If you do not know what goes into a dish, ask someone for help and tell the guest. Ask them to choose something else.
I have also seen food packages with message on it that says it may have been packaged in a factory that process nuts.
Also, in case we keep the equipment separate, can we avoid cross-contamination?
Yes, it is a good habit when preparing food for guests with allergies. Make sure that your equipment and cookware are not used to process allergens and all tableware are allergen-free. Also remember that when dealing with guests with allergies, there should be no secret ingredients in the dish. Be clear about what goes into the dish. Food allergies can be serious, and we as professionals in food and beverage must ensure that we take care while processing allergens. Do share this video with your friends. It is a very important topic and ask them to follow and subscribe to this channel.